Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a style video, but I'm going to do it while my hair is straight since one of you requested that. And I did add a few accessories because I was just trying them out to see how they look. And I did retwist my hair about 2 days ago, so this is the current state of my retwist. And I am also 19 months locked at this point. So let's see what I come up with. So for this look, I decided to do a bun here, and it was a bit difficult to form this bun into a bun because my locks wanted to do what they wanted to do and they did not want to form into the shape. But with a whole bunch of hairpins, I made it work, and I just decided to leave some locks down in the back. So this is look number 1. Okay, so here is the next one, and I think this one came out really cute. Decided to keep the first bun and just add 2 more in the back. And it did get a little bit easier because the hair is a bit longer in the back, I feel like, but I still kind of struggled with trying to get them to form into the bun. But I just decided to go ahead and use the scrunchie to hold them down and not so many pins back here. But this is look number 2. So here is the next one. I just decided to put half up in the ponytail, leave half of it down, and then I kind of comb the bang here on the side here. And I actually like this one also, and I like the way this is kind of sticking out. It's not too much, you know, like standing up too high. It's kind of sprouting out like a little flower, I want to say. And I actually like the way that looks. Okay, I'm just gonna outright say this one is my absolute favorite one. I was like, you know what, let me try and see if I can fake a ponytail, like a full ponytail, because I really want one and I haven't been able to do one. And I think I just solved the problem by doing this, by doing the two separate ones, the one pony that's here in the front and then add the one in the back. Now my hair is slipping out a little bit, you know, but I'm just gonna push it back in. That one was trying to get out, but this is so cute to me. I love this one, and I like how it's sticking out like this. It's kind of flowering. I really like this one. So that is pretty much it for my straight lock styles. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.